In our list, we have joined our task node to the task name using the operator append in the last video. Using append, what we could not do is add a delimiter like a space or a hyphen between the two values, and now both the values look connected and making it difficult to differentiate between the name and the node. To solve this, we will use the arbitrary text operator along with append. To do this, now we will go to our editor and we will replace the task node directly being used with the arbitrary text. Now, the arbitrary text allows us to enter the text as we want here and differentiate it from the task name. Now, in the arbitrary text, we will add a space, a hyphen, and a space, and add the task node value after it. Now, this will separate the task name from the task node and will look better as before we had it with append. Now, additionally, we can also change the color of the text to differentiate it more better. So we will change the color in the arbitrary text using the rich text editor. We will change the color, replace the hash code with the color that we want, and now this task is done. Now we'll go back to a list and page and see the difference between directly appending and using arbitrary text. Now, as we come back and see that now the task node is now separate from the task name, and we can see it clearly, and we can differentiate visually between the task node and the task name. So this was one way in which we can use the arbitrary text in our expressions. So that's it for arbitrary text. Thank you. To learn about more such operators, follow the bubblingo operator series. Check out bubblingo.com for more such resources.